Hi everyone. In this video, I'll just quickly go through the data sources that Power BI offers. And you know, if you click on Get Data, and it will pop up an options that covers up the entire data sources and connectors that Power BI offers. So there are lots of them, and they've divided into different sections. So for example, the file section, we can always import Excel file, text file, XML, JSON, and even this is important where we can import folders where similar files related to that particular name and is when it is updated, then automatically it enables and it gets data from that particular folder. We can always have PDF file as well. So there are some nitty-gritties as well to import PDF files, Parquet document, and SharePoint folder. uh, this is related to file section. Database, there are lots of them. Most importantly is the SQL Server database, Oracle database, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Teradata, SAP HANA, Amazon Redshift, Google BigQuery, Snowflakes. Other databases include MarkLogic, MariaDB, and BI connector, and all the stuff. This is related to database. Power Platform. Power Platform related to the interconnectivity between the Power BI as well as the Power BI data flow. So this is Power BI data set where we have a live connection with the Power BI service. Power BI data flow, it is importing data from the data flow part, and this is also important with Dataverse and common data services, um, which is replaced. Azure as a separate section where we can connect to Azure SQL database, Azure Analysis, Synapse Analytics, Data Warehouse, Blob Storage, Cosmos DB, Data Lake, HD Insights, as well as Azure Databricks. So everything related to Azure is covered in this section where um, if you can see, there are some things which are added as a beta version where and new features are always being added into new connectors every month. So that's pretty much it in regards to Azure. um, online services is important where we connect to the other cloud platforms. So top one are SharePoint Online, Exchange Online, Dynamic 365 Online, Azure DevOps, Salesforce. There are two sections of Salesforce. One is the connectivity between reports, and the other one is the objects. um, Other than that, Google Analytics, we can always connect LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, QuickBooks, Smartsheet, um, Twilio, Zendesk, Asana. These are all in beta version, which means that it's just in the testing version. It may fail, may not fail some features. So this is in a beta version. Um, Team Desk, Web Trends, workplaces, automation anywhere, Dynamic 365 customer insights, mm, Zoho connector, Soft1 BI connector, industrial app stores, FactSets analytics. So lots of connectivity with the cloud platform we can do, and to analyze and to directly connect the data using these connectors. There are some other connectors as well where we can directly connect to the web page. We can connect to the Active Directory, Hadoop file, Spark, RScript, and Python script, ODBC connection, OLEDB connection. Um, Other than that, SurveyMonkey, we can connect to SurveyMonkey, Paxata, um, Vessel Insight, FHR, MicroStrategy for Power BI, Bloomberg Data and Analytics, Microsoft Teams, Personal Analytics as well, and the blank query where we can write the query from scratch. So these are all the connectors where Power BI is using, and there's a lots of options where we can import data from, and of course there will be some types of data where we want direct query, or some sort of data where we are importing the data and then refreshing periodically as well. So this is pretty much it for the get data section, and in this video I've given an overview of how many connectors that Power BI connects. So we'll see you in next video. Thank you so much.